Hey friends, if you wish to fix DHCP not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Press Windows plus R to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on the active network connection and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure it's selected at obtain an IP address automatically. If it's selected on the second option, push it to the first one. The radio button should be on the first option. And the same for obtain DNS server automatically. Click on OK and then on OK. If this helps, well and good. If not, straight away reset the network. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab, select advanced network settings, select network reset, click on reset now and finally yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.